I was able to get these results here. I think these came out extremely well. This is perfect for the 4th of July season if you are getting things prepared, which I really believe you should. And if you go on Etsy right now, there's tons of popular nows and bestsellers all tied to the 4th of July season. And because this is going to be a big year with America turning 250, if you're not spending time on creating these type of products, I think you're going to be missing out on a lot of sales. Now, in today's video, I'm using what I call my creative prompt tool. This is a custom built tool I built with inside of my Etsy membership community, where I give you just not the creative tools that generates AI and smart SEO tools and finding all bestsellers within a few short moments, but you also get my classes and my weekly coaching sessions, as well as my Etsy course, so you know exactly how to use this tool to make sales, right? That's the goal, to have a tool, but also the system in order to make sales. That's how many of my students were able to make their first sale, hit over 500 sales within a short amount of time. So if you do want to get access to my membership community with my creative tools, but also the system where my students are actually making sales, I'll make sure to link all of this down in my description box below. So with that being said, I'm going to jump over into my Remix Studio tool. This is very helpful because we're going to use 2 reference images to help us mix these together and really create something new. So as I head to my Remix Studio here, I'm going to go down to the bottom, and I have the option here to use the Remix Studio here, and I'm wanting to use a pre-prompt, which is going to save me so much time. That's why I said this prompt is really going to be simple, because we're going to put all of our focus here on the t-shirt pre-prompt and just give the AI a small bit of direction to really get the results you've seen here. So with that being said, I have my background to be white. Now we're going to use some images from Etsy, but the goal here is not to copy, but to use what is working well and merge 2 things together to create something new. So with that being said, I have the option to put in a reference image 1 as well as a reference image 2. And this is exactly what we did here to get this type of result, which again, I think came out extremely well. And here is a prompt that I use to get these results. As you can see here, it is not long at all. Very simple prompt here, but it really gave us a good outcome. So I want to share this with you. So I said, I want to keep the style of the first image, but I want you to replace the duck with the patchwork eagle and add something regarding the 250th American birthday. When I talk about, the first and second image or the eagle, it knows exactly what I'm talking about because of my reference images here, which again saves me so much time. So when I say things like I want the style of the first image, it knows exactly what that is because the placement here is clear, reference image 1 and reference image 2. If I say things regarding the duck, it knows exactly what I'm talking about, but it's looking at both of these reference images, which I think is extremely helpful. So that being said, I was able to run this with 3 variations, but again, here's the results we were able to get. And the reason why these work so well is because we already know that this type of strip line background has done extremely well regarding 250 with America is going to be huge. So we definitely want to build around that. But the reason why this came out so well is because we still have that patchwork from the image reference 2 with the eagle here. As we can see the patchwork and the feathers here. If I were to go down to this image here, you can really see it. And again, this is what I mean by combining 2 things together to get something new. Obviously, we didn't copy, but we use these 2 images as references so that the AI knows exactly the overall style we're talking about. Notice here how on the wings here, this came out well with this type of jean type of patchwork style, which is truly becoming a brand new trend on Etsy. We even see the same thing being represented here in the middle of the chain here. Again, it kept the glasses and the hats, but notice how it did this in a different way. We can see this with the duck here, but definitely brought in a different style here in regards to that. It's definitely bringing in the stripes and stars here, but notice how it's still keeping a level of consistency in regards to this patchwork jean type of style, which came out extremely well. So this is all good to go. And using the same type of prompt, but changing out obviously the eagle and the duck, this is how we were able to get these type of reference images here, again, which came out well. This one here brought in a unique style of this design here, bringing in 1776. But again, as you can see, because we merged 2 things together, keeping the same eagle that we have seen to work well, again, we were able to get this, again, totally different design from what the reference images are. But when you merge 2 things together, create a prompt, you want a different variation. Again, you're able to get these type of results. Here is another variation of what we were able to get as well. Again, I think this came out great, bringing in that type of jean patchwork style that we have seen to do well, but I really enjoyed how this one came out. Using the same type of phrase with the 2 reference images here, and we were able to get these type of results. Now, let's just say, for instance, if a design did not come out to our standard, we can hit regenerate, and it's going to give us, again, the same type of prompt, but different type of outcome. Now, the tool that I'm using today is called my Creative Prompt tool. This is a custom built tool I built for my Etsy membership community, where I give you just not the creative tools that generates AI and smart SEO tools and finding all bestsellers within a few short moments, but you also get my classes and my weekly coaching sessions, as well as my Etsy course, so you know exactly how to use this tool to make sales. So if you do want to get access to my membership community with my creative tools, I'll make sure to link all of this down in my description box below. And check out this next video here where I share with you an easy way where I was able to create 100 products within a few short moments following the same system I taught you in today's video. Click this next video here.